You might want to try to reduce your carbon footprint when charging. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on clean energy charging on your iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to our settings app. And from here, let's click on battery right above the privacy and security option, or anywhere on this page, just click on battery. Click on battery health and charging. And immediately you should be able to see the clean energy charging right below the optimized battery charging option. So if you want to turn it on, example, if it is currently turned off like that, just click on this toggle button right here to have it turn green. And that is how you can basically turn on clean energy charging on your iPhone. So iPhone will try to reduce your carbon footprint by selectively charging when lower carbon emission electricity is available. Now, if you don't have this option, the first thing that you should check is that you should be updated to the latest software update. So just click on General right here and click on Software Update and wait for your phone to check for update. And mine is currently updated to 16.1. So if you have an option to update to a later version, just tap on install or download or whatever option that comes to you and update the software version of your phone and check it again. Now, if you have updated your software version and it's still not there, the next thing that you're going to check is your region. So click on General again and click on Language and Region. And this is very important. Make sure that your region is set to United States. So just click on Region and click on United States right here, and your iPhone will briefly restart and have it set your region to United States, and you can check it again to the battery, and that should show you the clean energy charging option. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.